show with music, and of course Mumford and Sons will be performing for us at the end of the programme. Before we hear from them, we thought we'd have a quick chat with a couple of them. Will you please welcome Marcus Mumford and Winston Marshall? Sit down. So Marcus, Winston, thank you for coming on the show. We're going to form the full band in a minute of it. But Marcus, of course, I think everyone knows this who loves the band, but of course, Mumford and Sons, they are of course not your sons.
Agreed.
Is that a band title, a name that you have grown to regret over?
Yeah. And we've said that publicly many times. It's a stupid band
what,
but band names in themselves are just stupid.
But that one's silly in that.
Particularly stupid.
Well, right, But when I first saw you, I thought, that's how nice that this man's got in business with his sons. I mean, I felt a little bit cheated when I found out.
We saw with the Mystery Jets who had their dad in the band for a while. The idea of a family business was sort of at the core of it, but band names are stupid, man.
So what would you have called the band, Winston, if you'd been asked first?
Marshall and Sons.
I don't know if all of you were, but I know Winston in particular. Were you all Spice Girls fans when you were younger?
We were. Winston in particular.
Winston was a man.
I was a massive fan. I had a t-shirt collection. I collected Spice Girls t-shirts, and my mum managed to find the prize piece.
No way.
I wanted to show you. She was very excited, by the way.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this. I think it was a bootleg.
That's
Fantastic.
That looks like it's going to go up in flames with any t-shirt.
Oh my goodness.
That's one of the worst looking shirts I've seen.
Did you?
Oh, you were all great on it, but what's going on with the sleeves?
I kind of like it. It's really retro.
Also, let's make Jerry and Melby kiss.
Okay, let's have a look at this. This is Mumford from fourth album, ladies and gentlemen. It's out now. This is so nice to have Vantage of it. Look at that. Double album. Oh, yeah. Delta, and it's not a change in direction so much, but it's a change in style. Would that be fair to say?
Yeah, I think so. We get pretty bored pretty quickly, so we like to move on.
So this isn't. So the sound that when people think of they associate with you is that kind of like more sort of twangy, banjo-y country sound, not country, but you know, and you're kind of moving away from that.
Still there. Can't get rid of him. He plays banjo.
Yeah. And very well.
Yeah, very well. But no, yeah, I think we're trying to, like all bands do, try and change our vibe a little bit.
But in a way, I guess you get trapped, do you not, in a certain kind of area? Because
I think you're always a couple years ahead of your audience, so you have to be gracious, I think. You have to kind of approach it like, there's people who might expect a certain thing of you. I mean, you must know this really well, but there's people who might expect a certain thing of you, but you also want to get out what's naturally coming out of you at the time. Yeah. And then you've got to record it, and then you've got to promote it and tour it, and you need to kind of give a couple of years for people to catch up.
But by the time you're touring, I guess you've moved on to the next thing.
Yeah.
Because that's a year and a half behind, but it's new to us.
Yeah, the new demos are pretty weird.
Pretty rad.
Rad? Oh, nice.
I know what I'm doing.
Mark's got no idea what's happening.
Totally different language. What song are you doing tonight?
We're going to sing Beloved, and we're going to sing it with Yeba and the Staves. So two of our
Beloved with Yeba and the Staves. Do you need any help? Because Sarah used to play ukulele back in the day.
I didn't bring it.
And we know Samson's got a fine voice. Jeremy said his beads.
Yeah, he's going to twerk.
Thank you so much for coming on. Ladies and gentlemen, Marcus and Winston from Mumford and Sons. Guys, if you like the guys and get some ready for perform, thank you so much for coming on. That's a great feature. Thanks to the boys and thanks to all my guests tonight. Of course, the fabulous Sarah Pascoe, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Johnson Teo, the one and only Emma Bunton, and yes, I love him, Jeremy Clarkson. Join me again next week, but now, with Beloved, it's Mumford and Sons.